Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Slack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on preferences, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you come here to open web pages in app. Just clicking this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here open web pages in app enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.